how are my medical bills and wage loss going to be paid if I've been involved in a motor vehicle collision? Well, in Oregon, we have a statute called PIP, P-I-P, which stands for Personal Injury Protection. And that is the way for people who are injured in motor vehicle collisions that their medical bills and their wage loss will be paid. The insurance company that covers the car that you were in when the collision happened, and it makes no difference who is at fault. It could have been the driver of the car that you were in. It could have been you could have caused it going off the road, or someone running a red light. Cause doesn't make a difference. How it happened is irrelevant. The insurance company that covers the car that you were in is who is going to pay your medical bills and your wage loss. So think of PIP as sort of like a mini health insurance policy that wraps around the car that you were in. And what the PIP statute says is this: for each person in the car, that insurance company is required to pay $15,000 worth of medical treatment or 2 years worth of medical care related to the collision per person in the car. So if there are 4 people in the car, they're not sharing $15,000 worth of medical coverage. It's $15,000 per person. You also, if you are taken off work for at least 14 calendar days, and you have an off-work note from your doctor, your medical provider, PIP is required to pay 70% of your lost wages up to a maximum of $3,000 a month. So it's either 70% or $3,000 a month, whichever is less. So if you make $3,000 a month, PIP will pay you $2,100. If you make $10,000 a month, PIP will only pay $3,000. And that will last for 52 weeks. So if you've been involved in a collision and you're going, how are my medical bills going to be paid? I don't have health insurance. Nothing to worry about. Contact the insurance company that's covering the car that you were in, and their PIP will be paying for your medical treatment and possibly your wage loss if you qualify. Thank you.